Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps here, as you see, will enter to the LinkedIn. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.